Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning or afternoon to all of you. So I hope you are fine at home. So for today we are going to learn about present simple, present continuous and stative verbs. So can you please turn to page 9 of your textbook? We are going to do some revision on this part or this topic. So let's take a look at some notes on the uses of the present simple, the present continuous, and stative verbs. Present simple. We use present simple tense, okay, to describe about facts and permanent situation. Kita menggunakan simple present tense untuk menerangkan fakta ataupun situasi yang kekal. For example, sebagai contoh, I live in a big house with my extended family. Okay. Second one, general truth and laws of nature. Maksudnya, kebenaran umum dan hukum alam. Contoh ayat, the sun sets in the evening. Matahari terbenam di sebelah petang. Okay, number 3, habits and routines. Tabiat dan rutin, benda yang dibuat hari-hari. We always visit New York in the summer. Kami selalu melawat New York pada musim panas. Next one, timetables and programs in the future. Jadual waktu dan program, plan pada masa akan datang yang pasti akan berlaku. Contoh ayat, my partner's plane arrives at 5 o'clock, meaning kapal terbang rakan saya sampai pada jam 5 petang nanti. Next one, when we write reviews, ulasan, stories and sports commentaries, dan apa tu, ulasan sukan. Okay? The story is about a young girl and her friend. Cerita itu tentang seorang budak perempuan dan kawannya. Jadi bila kamu membuat ulasan buku, kena gunakan present tense. Okay, next one, present continuous tense. Okay, we use present continuous tense to describe actions that are happening at the time of speaking. Kita menggunakan present continuous tense untuk menerangkan peristiwa yang sedang berlaku pada masa kita bercakap. For example, Dad is making dinner in the kitchen. My mother is sweeping the floor. Okay. Second use, gunaan yang kedua, temporary or changing situations, situasi yang berubah ataupun sementara. My cousins is staying with us for the holidays. Sepupu saya tinggal dengan kami sepanjang musim cuti ini. But okay, he does not stay with us all the time. Okay, he just comes for the holidays. Okay, next one. She is becoming more and more frustrated. Dia menjadi semakin kecewa. Okay. Annoying habits, often with adverbs like always. Okay. Tabiat yang menjengkelkan selalunya digunakan dengan adverb seperti always. Contoh ayat, my coach is always criticizing me. Jurulatih saya selalu mengkritik saya. Jadi kalau ada always, boleh gunakan present continuous tense. Okay, next one, we move on to stative verbs. Stative verbs describe states. Maksudnya kata kerja stative menerangkan tentang keadaan. States ni keadaan, okay, bukannya perbuatan. Common stative verbs talk about feelings, emotions, the senses, states of mind and possession. We do not use them in continuous tenses. Maksudnya kata kerja statif yang biasa, okay, digunakan untuk menerangkan mengenai perasaan kita, emosi kita, senses, deria, states of mind, keadaan minda kita dan pemilikan, possession. Kita tidak menggunakannya di dalam present continuous tense, ing. Okay, contoh ayat, my mother hates doing household chores. Maksudnya Mak saya tidak suka membuat kerja rumah. Okay, kita tidak gunakan my mother is hating, salah. Okay, next example. My colleagues looks very cheerful today. Rakan kerja saya kelihatan ceria pada hari ini. Kita tidak gunakan are looking. Next one. Some experts believe peers are more important to teens than family. We don't use are believing. Okay, sebab itu adalah keadaan, bukannya perbuatan. Okay, however, some verbs can be both stative and action verb, but with a change in meaning. Walau bagaimanapun, kadang-kala sebahagian kata kerja boleh menjadi kata kerja statif ataupun kata kerja perbuatan, tetapi dengan maksud yang berbeza. Sebagai contoh, my baby brother appears to be sleeping. Okay, appears here means seem, kelihatan. Adik lelaki saya kelihatan sedang tidur. And another example, my classmates and I are appearing in a play about relationships. Rakan sekelas saya dan saya akan muncul di dalam satu drama berkenaan dengan perhubungan. So, are appearing maksudnya performing, mempersembahkan. Okay, now let's take a look at the exercise. Okay, part 2. Complete the sentences. Use the present simple or the present continuous. In which sentence could you use both but with a change in meaning? Okay, A. I see my friends at the gym. Saya jumpa kawan di gym. Boleh juga gunakan I am seeing my friends at the gym. Saya akan berjumpa dengan rakan saya di gym besok. Okay, dua-dua boleh guna present simple dan present continuous. Number B, my colleagues and I are discussing the new project right now. Yang ini gunakan present continuous sahaja. Okay, are discussing. And C, I usually ask my coach for advice. Okay, I usually ask my coach for his advice. Okay, exercise 3 and 4. These are the two exercises that you have to do. Let's take a look at the instructions for exercise 3. Complete the sentences. Use the present simple or present continuous. Number 1. Do you understand? Do you understand why teens think their peers are important? Adakah awak faham mengapa remaja fikirkan rakan sebaya mereka penting? Okay, number 2. My teacher, sebab ada always, kita gunakan present continuous tense. Okay, my teacher is always criticizing me. It drives me crazy. Okay, my teacher is always criticizing me. Okay, okay, you answer the rest of the questions. The exercise number 4. Circle the correct words to complete the text. Maksudnya pilih jawab kata yang betul untuk melengkapkan teks. Okay, teens and pocket money, remaja dan wang saku. Some parents complain that their children are always asking, selalu meminta for money. Are always asking for money. Number 2, many teens get simple present, get pocket money for helping with chores around the house, and the amount of money they earn increases regularly. Okay. Okay. So number 1 are always asking for money. Number 2 get. Okay. Number 2 get, and number 3 increases. So please answer the rest of the exercise. So I think that's all for now. Have a nice day. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.